I'm about to test the DJI Osmo Action 4, the Mic Mini, the newer ND filter, ND8, and the newer Black Mist filter. So, wish me luck. And this is what I'm lighting it with, a Godox ML100BI with the Fresnel and a Godox Lightflow 50 cm panel. You could just do this with a softbox and maybe a 100 to a 200 watt LED. Definitely use bicolor. Give you choices. All right, let's get into it now. All right, everybody, how's it going? I'm David Griffin. I'm just doing an image quality test using the DJI Osmo Action 4. Right now, I'm shooting in 4K at 24 frames a second. I got the shutter speed at a 50th of a second. I'm shooting in D-Log M. I got the white balance set to 6,000 Kelvin, and I'm just matching to it. Right now, we're also using an ND8 filter on there and a newer Black Mist filter. I'm trying to make the image look as pretty as we can get on a little camera like this. It's an action camera. It's not made for stuff like this, but let's see what we can squeeze and pull out of here. For a camera right now that you can find for about $199, $200, maybe $239, $229. I mean, I don't know. Maybe the image quality looks great. I'll know when I go back and look. I mean, I see what I see here on the front screen, but is that how it's going to play out when I go and do a little color grading? Like I said, I'm filming using D-Log M, the log profile, in 10-bit. And that's the only way I ever film with this camera, shooting in 10-bit, because I want as much color information as possible. I want no color banding or anything like that. And I want to be able to push and pull and manipulate the colors. So that's what the purpose of me shooting in 10-bit is for. But hey, what do you guys think? I think the quality looks pretty good overall from this camera. There's something about maybe a 2x3 square. I mean, I think it's pretty good. I don't know. You tell me in the comments below. Is the image quality from the DJI Osmo Action 4 here pretty darn good, or is it meh, or is it, you just did too much? Let me know in the comments. All right, David Griffin, I'm out of here. This is just a test. Oh, also, as you can guess, I'm using the DJI Mic Mini, and I'm using it using the receiver because from what I understand, you get a better audio signal using it directly with the receiver. So it's almost like I turned my little living room into a studio area. See? Well, this little corner of the living room. All right, take it easy, y'all. David Griffin, I'm out. Make sure you hit me in the comments and let me know what you think of the quality. All right, I'm out of here. Bye.